Hi everyone, my name is Amy Peterson and this is my first video. I chose to do it on Spelling City. I don't really know much about it, but I am learning. And so as I get into it, I selected this because I'll be teaching first grade. First grade will have spelling words and I would like like the kids to be able to have fun learning their spelling words. So this would be maybe one program that I might integrate into learning. Sparkle would be one, and Rainbow Words would be one, just so that we can have fun in class and not just sit in our desks. Um, I would like them to be able to have some interaction on their own and have fun. So let's go ahead and get into Spelling City. All right, so we can create a list, um, and I can input my own list. We have bike, we have kite, um, la 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 la. Um, all right, so we can go on and I can create that list. I can go on, I can say continue, and it's gonna make me some games. Okay, and it wants me to have one more word to continue. Then it made me some games. So let's go with phonics. So the good thing about this is that as it's loading, you can get in here and you can go to search mode and you can search up your classroom teacher. Your classroom teacher will have an account and she can input all the spelling words for that week. So when the kids go home, they can know their spelling words and they can play the games. We're going to skip. So initial sounds. So we'll be teaching them to look for bear. Alrighty. We'll do one more. Oh, didn't click it. So the initial sound for kite would be k. So it'd be clown, k, kite, k, clown. Alrighty, so we will exit out of that. And those are the words, they were all built around the list that I made. So that is good. And so as I go back to my PowerPoint, my goals for this is to teach their kids the blends, prefixes, when to use the silent E, all those special techniques and tricks. So my goal is to have fun, teach these kids that learning doesn't have to be boring. You don't have to sit in your desk all day. We can go lounge in a corner, maybe in the library, and relax and play a game and learn. So it can be for anybody. So I could have used it in high school. Anybody can use this app. And I chose these two standards because number one, I am a teacher and I'm going to have to collaborate and learn. I want to learn what they did last year, what they did this year, and be able to help the kids the best. And so I am maybe going to use this technology in my class, and I want to provide them with technology. So just like I'm doing now, I need to learn this technology so that I can promote it and teach them how to use it safely. So.